Welcome to An Oven Cake and Cookies. Today's recipe is a visual and tasty delight, a soft, moist marble cake made without an oven. Let's begin. Crack 3 eggs into a mixing bowl and beat until light and foamy. Use room temperature eggs for better volume. Add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar and beat again. Now pour in half cup of oil and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Beat until everything is well combined. Take 1 and 1/4 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Sieve the dry ingredients into the mixture. Gradually add 1/4 cup milk while mixing until you get a smooth batter. Don't overmix the batter once the flour is added to keep it soft. Divide the batter equally into 2 portions. Separate 2 tablespoons of vanilla batter for using later. In one portion, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Add 2 tablespoons of milk if needed and mix well. Brush oil on your cake mold and place a baking paper. First pour a layer of vanilla batter. Then a layer of chocolate batter. Then use a stick to make a beautiful marble pattern. Now pour the remaining vanilla batter over the top in a drop pattern. Homemade marble cake avoids preservatives and artificial colors. Eggs provide protein and using oil keeps it lighter than butter. You can substitute sugar with jaggery for a healthier version. Sprinkle some chocolate chips for extra flavor. Place a curry pan on the stove with a wire stand. Preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Place the mold inside and bake for 30 to 35 minutes in medium-low heat. Let it cool completely before slicing. The marble effect was inspired by German baking in the 19th century. Marble cakes are a blend of vanilla and chocolate, the best of both worlds. This no-oven method is great for beginner bakers. Chocolate chips melt inside the cake, adding soft, gooey bites. A small slice makes a satisfying tea time treat. Your beautiful homemade marble cake is ready. Fluffy, chocolatey, and picture perfect, just like from a bakery. If you enjoyed this recipe, like and share with your family and friends. Which pattern do you like better? Swirl or drops? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies for more fun, easy, and oven free baking ideas. Thank you for watching. See you in the next sweet episode.